First, we start by setting up the site, including all safety precautions. Next, we mark out the roadway for the location we will be excavating for the sewer repair. Now the excavation process begins by saw cutting the street before the top layer of asphalt is removed with a backhoe. We will then proceed to move through the next layer of asphalt or concrete base with a jackhammer. Now that we have reached the dirt below the roadway asphalt, the backhoe will continue to dig. The next step is preparing the excavation for shoring as a safety measure. The shoring will protect the crew as they continue to dig deeper. The backhoe will continue to dig deeper while the crew continues driving down the wood planks for completion of shoring. Now that we have reached the old sewer line, the new cast iron pipe is prepared for installation. Now that the sewer is successfully installed, the crew will wait on site for the DEP inspector to perform the final inspection and pass with a 27.
Inspection complete, 27.
The crew will now partially backfill the hole. And begin the removal of the shoring. As we continue to backfill and compact the soil. Now that the excavation is backfilled, the crew will leave a steel plate over the excavation or use temporary asphalt before our restoration crew arrives for the final restoration of the roadway.